Alright, got my solid 2x10 header above the attic, in the attic, bearing on a post here, just directly on the post down below, which I believe stacks directly on top of the steel beam in the basement. So we have a stacked load. Got these 2x4 cross members. They're timber lock screwed underneath. These two in a stagger pattern. 2x10s are just slammed together. I nailed it together downstairs with some old-fashioned 16-penny hand drives. I ran some big timber lock screws, 3 5/8 inch into the joist. And then I added these clips here for added measure. And I used the Simpson strong tie screws going laterally. I just used regular Torx head 3-inchers. It's not really a shear application there, it's just a pull-out resistance. This thing's pretty rock solid. It got the sag out of the ceiling.